Hello students, we are going to start a class. Today the class would be, I think you remember we were discussing about cell cycle and cell division, and today is the last class and we are on the last part of the lesson. In the last class what we have discussed is, we have completed the entire chapter and we were discussing certain questions that are supposed to be asked from that chapter, right? So we'll continue that part. Let's write it down.
মেম মাঝে মাঝে আকো ভাঙা হৈছে
Akko.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's
Yes, ma'am.
okay. এতিয়া শুনা পাইছা ভালকে?
Yes, ma'am.
yes মেম
Yes,
Right. Aji part to any we will have to write something in the board and you have to copy it down. It's not much of explanation. So let's see. Audio kiman clear hoy. Major যদি problem আছে, please tell me. Right?
ma'am নহয় ক্লিয়াৰে আহি থাকে কিন্তু হঠাতে মানে ভাঙি যায় আকৌ আহি যায় ক্লিয়াৰ তেনেকুৱা হৈ আছে
আকৌ মাজত break হৈ যায় ন?
ও ma'am
হ'ব, let's see. Class to sound কিমান খিনি right? Okay. So today I think you all remember in the last class we have talked something called as the formula chart. তিনটা formula দিছিলো মনত আছে নে?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
We were
ma'am.
talking about the number of mitotic divisions. Then we have talked about the number of generation, how to calculate the number of generations, right? And number of meiotic divisions. Tare ami continue korisu. So formula chart or pora jikhini last class hoisile, just continue from that portion itself, right? So we'll talk about certain questions today. And you have to refer to the formula chart. Ako formula chart ko likhibo lagibo niki? তিনটা formula already লিখি
নালাগে
থৈছা।
মেম
Okay. Refer to formula chart. Okay. So তাত আমি কেইটামান questions discuss কৰো। The first question is, number of meiotic divisions required for the formation of of 100 seeds. If you have seen or if you have understood the formula that we have discussed in the last class, I think this would be a very easy question, right? Ki hudise meiotic division of kotha hudise, number of meiotic division required to form. A question is about seeds, right? And what we have discussed, whenever a question comes about seeds or number of pollen grains, etc., then we have to talk about that formula. Formula kuntu asle n plus n by 4. Asle na hitu formula,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, what would be the answer in this case? Kiman hobo?
Ma'am, 80 or 90.
Formula ki asle?
Ma'am, 125.
125.
Yes,
Very good. And what
125.
is n over here? It's 100,
100
100.
right? 100 plus 100 by 4, which ultimately will be correct?
yes ma'am
Okay. Etu likhi loba. So formula to it will become easier. And from neat point of view, okay, before going into further questions, I would like to say that from neat point of view, बहुत basic complicated any kind of numericals or any kind of questions are not asked. If you have gone through the previous year's questions, iman complicated থাকে most probably dekha nai, right? But we are discussing this if suppose যদি কিবা এটা সুধি দিয়ে at that time, so that we are not left blank. That is the reason why we are discussing such certain types of questions. Ba aji jonkini questions discuss korim. Aji jonkini discuss korim, tar bishoye kisuman enuka asa little bit more complicated, right? So doesn't matter. Don't, as far as the neat paper is concerned, obviously the questions আমি যোনখিনি discuss কৰিম তাতকে বহুত easy level এ হ'ব, right? But apart from that, to be on the safe side, we should have an idea কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions এইটো chapter পৰা আহিব পাৰে, especially from this portion. So we are doing this. Next, the second question is again about meiotic division. How many meiotic divisions are required to produce thousand pollen grains in Cyperus? Solution. Wow, fast.
1,250.
Yes, ma'am.
1,250. What about the rest of the students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, यही हो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone, yes, by that answer. Please read the question properly. Question ki dise? Meiotic division? Yes, correct. Question ki dise? Number of pollen grains. So we have talked about number of pollen grains, seeds, grains, etc., etc. We use the formula K, n plus n by 4. Correct? But do you remember we have talked about an exception? Eta exception asile no? In case of Cyperus or Cyperaceae. You don't remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Monot ase ne nai? What was the exception?
Nine.
Okay. Jar ase tahate muk koason, jar nai moi koi dili. Cyperaceae family was always an exception. Why was it exception? As far as the number of pollen grains are formed in this family, that is an exceptional point. Exceptional point to key. Normally, when we are talking about the number of pollen grains that are formed from 1 mmC, it is always how many? 1 mmC forms how many pollen grains?
4.
4 pollen grains. But what was the exception? In case of Cyperaceae. Cyperaceae is 1. Very good. 1 mmC will produce 1 pollen grain. So the hey point to report hai question ahi se. NAK specifically, the question is generally never asked, giving you the specific name. For example, the question will never be asked like this, that how many neotritions are required to produce 1,000 pollen grains in case of Brassicaceae or in case of Solanaceae, etc., etc. Because Brassicaceae, Solanaceae, all those formulas are not exceptions, right? Exceptions of Cyperaceae family to ami eta point or hey point to question to ahise. So whenever you see Cyperus, the point that you remember, 1 mmC will produce only 1 pollen grain. So in that case, 1 mmC or 1 pollen grain form korile. 1 division, 1 pollen grain. So 1,000 pollen grain, how many divisions?
1,000.
1,000.
The answer would be 1,000. Okay. So what we need to remember? In Cyperus, right? So answer ki hobo? 1,000 meiotic division will produce 1,000 pollen grain. Correct? And if in the same question, যদি ইয়াতে কিমান দিলে হয়, how many meiotic divisions are required to produce 1,000 pollen grains? And if this part would have not been given, তেতিয়াহলে answer কিমান হ'ব? একেটা question.
1,250.
Very good. In that case, it will be 1,250, right? But since Cyprus dia ase, we have 1,000. Okay, we go to the next question.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, এইটো formula যদি মানে pollen grain দিয়া থাকে,
So আমি pollen grain formula to je n আছে n to pollen grain hobo no pollen grain or number
pollen grain hobo ha it will be pollen grain number
mmc no hobo niki
na mmc is the way that they explain ঠিক আছে explain mmc এ হেৰি কৰি পেলাই কাৰণ এতিয়া mmc আৰু pollen grain আমি একে টাইপে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰো in this example because mmc will also be one pollen grain will also be one but in rest of the families mmc will be one but the pollen grain the number will be 4 so only in this case আমি হেইটো একেটা বস্তুকে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰো mmc আৰু pollen grain একে বুলি কনসিডাৰ কৰিব because the number is the same
okay ma'am
এটা mmc পৰা এটা pollen grain ফৰ্ম কৰিব so mmc কেটা এটা pollen grain কেটা এটা understood but in other cases we cannot use that term because we know from 1 mmc কেটা pollen grain ফৰ্ম কৰিব চাৰিটা
চাৰিটা
খালি এইটো exceptional example অতহে আমি বস্তুটো ক'ব পাৰো n would be the number of pollen grains or we can consider as mmc also
yes ma'am aru mitotic division of formula to n or value to cells থাকে no number of cells
oh সেইটো তো number of cells হ'ব
but ইয়াতে seeds বা grains no
এইটো তো seeds বা grains বা pollen grains তাত specifically লিখি দিব meiotic division নে mitotic division right ইমান দেৰলৈকে যিমান কিটা problems we have discussed প্ৰত্যেকটো it was based on meiotic division right এটা mitotic division এটা কৰো চোৱা
yes ma'am
এটা কৰিছিলৱে নেকি 128 cells from a single cell
Yes, ma'am.
how many
Yes,
mitotic
ma'am.
divisions are required for the formation of 128 cells from a single cell what was the formula n minus 1 in this case n equals to what number of cells so number
Yes,
of
ma'am.
cells question কিমান দিয়া আছে 128 answer কি হ'ব 128 n minus 1 so 128 minus 1 it is 120 I think we have done it in the last class
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
right okay next question is two cells form কৰিব লাগে কিমানটা meiotic divisions লাগিব means this question is asking you about what generation no এটা generation হ'ব
ma'am 8
answer would be clear no নে দেখাই দিব লাগিব
নালাগে ma'am
clear ma'am
বুজি পাইছো ন 8 ৰ পৰা 16 16 ৰ পৰা 32 32 পৰা 64 64 ৰ পৰা this is the easier method ha আৰু 256 so ultimately 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so answer কি হ'ব 8 division so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question আহিলে directly you can go for this that exponential form okay yes or no
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
hello okay ক'বা নহলে মই ৰৈ থাকিম I miss
ma'am
you.
নহয় মাতটো ভাঙি গৈছিল
কোৱা okay okay that was question number কিমান আছিলে 4 নে 3
3 আছিলে
3 আছিল ma'am
আছিল ন এবাৰ 4 in angiosperms how many microspore matter cells are required to produce 100 pollen grains এবাৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো কিহৰ ওপৰত আহিছে 100 pollen grains কিমান হ'ব
100
What is the answer?
Ma'am? 25.
25.
Exactly. Yes. Very good. Why? Because we know
MC produce 4 pollen grains.
1
Ma'am, 10
MMC,
part form
4 pollen grains. बाकी के तो निलिखिले होगा. I think it's well understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Another question. So question को करा है तो just to have an idea कि केनेके they change the type of question but the answer, like the method of doing the question is always the same. So this question is also like the one that we have done previously. If there are 4 cells in the enter, what will be the number of PG? And when we talk about 4 cells in the enter, we understand the number of MMC itself, right? 4 cells in the enter, you don't have to think about something extra, but all of a sudden, since we are talking about pollen grains and enter, in this question, what we mean is we are talking about 4 MMC. So obviously, 4 MMC for pollen grains, data form koribo. Data form
16.
koribo.
16.
Okay. So 4,
16.
answer would be yes, very good. Right? Okay. So এইখিনি আসলে তোমার formula wise. আমি যোনটা formula discuss কৰিছো. The next type of question that we are going to discuss is regarding bacterial division. ঠিক আছে? Bacteria, I think you all have come across certain types of MCQs like where eta bacteria যদি if it takes 1 hour to fill the cup, what is the time required
Hello,
to fill
ma'am.
half the cup? এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question কৰিছা? কোৱা.
মেম এই লাষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো কি লিখা আছিল মেম মোৰটো অকমান ডিসকানেক্ট হৈ গৈছিল
Okay,
If there are
last question was if there are 4 cells in the anther, how many pollen grains will be formed? If there are 4 cells in the anther, how many pollen grains will be formed? So 4 cells we mean we are talking about what? MMC.
yes
So 5
ma'am 16
MMC pollen grain কেইটা form কৰিব 16. Right? So এখিনিলৈকে
Yes.
এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions we have done enough. Next is about bacterial division. As I said, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question have you come across? Where the question is being asked like this, where bacteria আছিলে, bacteria কিছুমানে কি কৰিলে, it took 1 hour to fill the entire cup. So what is the time required to fill half the cup? এনেকুৱা question পাইছা নেকি? Have you come across such type of questions?
ma'am
Time required by a bacteria to fill half the cup. Oh, na? Okay, so there are certain questions regarding bacterial division also within this chapter. Kintu, the point is, such type of questions are very rare in NEET. Agote ki asile, jitya beleg exams asile no, when it was not entirely NEET, jitya the question level was comparatively a little bit more complicated. Etya ki hoise, jitya pa NEET hua hoise, তেতিয়া India NEET যেতিয়া পৰা হোৱা হৈছে তেতিয়া পৰা question level টো অকমান low হৈছে. So the questions that we are going to discuss have very less chances of coming in the NEET. কিন্তু in spite of that আমি জানি থব লাগিব. So for knowledge purpose only we'll be discussing these questions. Okay? That does not mean that এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions আহিবও পাৰে কিন্তু কেতিয়াবা সুধি দিবও পাৰে. Right? So questions কেইটামান লিখা about bacterial divisions. Okay, the first question is, Please read the question properly. Question দেখা পাইছা সবাই ভালকে? Can you see it more clearly, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please read the question. Buddhi pattern the nine question to swap. If a bacteria divides in every 20 minutes, how many bacteria will be formed in 2 hours? Right? So, amak ki kudise number of bacteria. Amak diya ki ase what is the given information that one bacteria divides and forms 2 bacteria in 20 minutes. Right? If you follow that given information, ultimately at the end of 2 hours, kiman bacteria
Six
form
times.
koribo? Ami keneke korim? Yeah,
Six
To
obviously.
the power of 6.
Ma'am, 12.
6
Six times
hobo
about
jano?
No.
6
Two
times
to the
hobo
power
jano?
of
Aru ebar
six.
bhalke
Ma'am, 12.
to the power of 6. 12? Take some more time.
first hour দুটা second চাৰিটা হ'ব তেতিয়া
Very good.
এনেকে 2 to the
12
power
আহিছে ma'am.
64. Very good. Answer is 64.
64 yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Keneke korila?
2 to the power of 6.
To the power of 6. Very good. So answer would be likhibo lagibo ami korile gom pam ami.
Ma'am, অলপ বুজাই দিব, বুজা নাই।
অলপ বুজাই দিম ন চোৱা ইয়াতে কি কৈছে if a bacteria divides in every 20 minutes ন এটা bacteria দুটালে ফৰ্ম কৰিব কিমান ন 20 minutes right so দুটা কেতিয়া হৈছে each 20 minutes after each 20 minutes number of bacteria কি হৈছে ডাবল হৈ গৈ আছে নাই প্ৰথমতে হেছিলে এটা আছিলে তাৰপিছত দুটা হ'ল দুটাৰ পৰা চাৰিটা কেতিয়া হ'ব another 20 minutes চাৰিটাৰ পৰা আঠটা কেতিয়া হ'ব another 20 minutes so at every 20 minutes the bacteria doubles itself yes or no এই লাইনটো বুজিছুন নাই
Yes, ma'am.
এটা bacteria আছিলে bacteria forms 2 bacteria 20 minutes this 2 bacteria will form 4 bacteria time kiman 20 minutes 4 bacteria will form 8 bacteria time kiman 20 minutes right? So this is the way the bacteria will divide now the question is asked about 2 hours so the easier way of going so enuka dhoroner onkot ki hoy you have a complicated way of going and you have a easier way of solving the problem let's talk about the easier one if such a type of question is asked generally chances to bahut kom tothapiu 2 hours or dise nohoy information ki dise 20 minutes first what you calculate how many 20 minutes are there in 1 hour 1 hour ot keita 20 minutes ase
6.
3টা।
tinta right
1 hour 3 আছে 2 hour 6.
1 hour or 20 minutes kiman
3টা
3 or 320 minutes তেতিয়া হলে 2 hours ot kiman thakibo
6.
correct so etia gom palan nai 1 hour ot eta bacteria keibar divide koribo
3 times.
তিনিবাৰ why because we are given that limit এবাৰ ডিভিশনত কিমান লাগে 20 মিনিট লাগে তো এঘন্টা সময়ত এটা বেক্টেৰিয়াই কিমান বাৰ ডিভাইড কৰিব তিনিবাৰ সো দুঘন্টাত কেইবাৰ ডিভাইড কৰিব ছবাৰ yes or no is it clear
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
everyone
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes,
so the
ma'am.
answer is 64 very good can I rub the board
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay we'll talk about another one okay next একে ধৰণৰ how many bacteria are produced in 4 hours if a bacterium divides once in half an hour? Read the question. আগৰটো নিচিনাই খালি ইয়াতে খালি টাইমটো বেলেগ কৰি দিছে এবাৰ কি দিছে question is about 4 hours information কি দি আছে a bacteria divides 1 into 2 time period কিমান
1024
Ma'am,
কিমান হ'ব
256.
very good 1024 যোনে পাইছে ন আৰু অকণ ভাবা আছে the answer is 256 how do you go for that we know 1 hour half an hour কেইটা থাকিব
দুটা
yes or no so 4
Yes, ma'am.
hours half an hour কিমান থাকিব
yes ma'am
Yes? so solution কি হ'ব
2 to the power 8
সবে বুজিছান নাই বস্তুটো বেছি কমপ্লেক্স কৰি নাভাবিবা ঠিক আছে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ অংক আহিলে অলৱেজ গো বাই দ্যাট আৱাৰ ৰাইট এটা আৱাৰত 20 মিনিট কিমান আছে এটা আৱাৰত হাফ এন আৱাৰ কিমান আছে that is the easier way of doing this sum and obviously we'll go by the easier method itself what is the point of complicating ourselves right এনেকুৱা method নহয় formulaও আছে but that there's no like no point of going through complicated methods the point is whether you have understood or not clear আগৰটো question কি আছিলে 20 minutes এতিয়া question কি half an hour কিন্তু the process of calculating or going for the answer is exactly the same yes okay next one এটো অকমান দীঘলীয়া হ'ব পটককে কোৱেশ্চনটো লিখিবাচোন a cell's division time is 1 minute bacteria কেতিয়া ডিভাইড কৰিব 1 মিনিটত দুটা হয় in 20 minutes a culture tube is 1/8 filled with cells. When the tube will be fully filled. So,
Ma'am,
yeah,
1 hour.
generation time to the yes, very good. Very good. No, you have to go 1 hour means what 1 hour you are saying? The answer?
Ma'am, fully filled.
No. Fully filled 1 hour নহয় 1/8 কেতিয়া হৈছে 20 minutes right 1/8 ৰ পিছত half হ'ব half ৰ পিছত full হ'ব okay we'll see এটো লিখা হ'লে নাই
Whole ma'am.
Whole
Whole?
35
Let's go.
minutes
Okay.
Ma'am, is it 2 hours 40 minutes?
no It's so nice that you all are trying.
Ma'am, 35 minutes.
Instead of 35 minutes, so no.
Ma'am, 40.
No. No. Keep on trying. Please keep on trying. You also try. I will give you the solution and see whether it goes by your method also or not. Okay. Solution to open. Now, solution to open dikhol ke likhi diyo so that you can understand. Right. So what is it given is generation time to dia ase. Generation time mane kiman minute divide kore. Ki dia ase?
From
1 minute.
160
Tamane
minutes.
1 bacteria becomes 2. Kiman samoy lage? 1 minute. It means, we talk about details of solution to detail, so that you understand. It means after every minute, the cell is going to be double. Eight line. Okay, go to the first line. First line to বুঝি পাইছা নাই? এটা bacteria আসলে bacteria to double কেতিয়া হবো? Every 1 minute. So 1 minute of দুটা হবো, next minute of কেটা হবো? চারিটা, and this is the way it will go. So this is what we understand by generation time. মানে কিমান time লৈছে এটা bacteria divide কৰিবলৈ? এটা bacteria divide কৰি পেলাই কি form কৰে? দুটা bacteria form কৰে. Right? So next, question কি দিয়া আছে? In 20 minutes, culture tube, যোনটো টিউবত bacteria খিনি আছিলে, কিমান filled হয়? Just read the question. This is already given, yes or no? Right? So in 20 minutes, the culture tube gets 1/8 filled. So a culture tube, যিমানবোৰ bacteria আছিলে, এই bacteria বিলাকে 1 minute of কি 20 minutes of কি কৰে? In next minutes, in 21 minutes, culture tube কি হব? কারণ আমি জানো প্রত্যেক মিনিটতে কি হইছে? ডাবল হইছে। এই সেন্টেন্সটো বুঝি পাইছা নাই? এটা ব্যাকটেরিয়া ডাবল হবলে কিমান মিনিট হইছে? 1 মিনিট? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So আমাক ইনফরমেশন কি দিয়া আছে? 20 minutes. Starting point কি? 20 minutes. 20 minutes of যদি 1/8 হয়, 21 minutes মানে next minute কি হবো? ডাবল হয়ে যাবে। Information to already দিয়া আছে 1 মিনিটৰ মুৰে মুৰে কি হৈ যায় after every 1 minute the bacteria doubles so the information that is already given is during or at 20th minute the cup of 1/8 filled next minute কি হ'ব double of 1/8 হ'ব নহয়
Yes, ma'am.
that will be equal to কিমান 1/4 1/4 কি বুলি ক'ব পাৰো quarterly filled yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
because we know at every minute 20 minutes was the starting point next minute is 21 minutes what happens in 21 minutes ইয়াতে যিমান আছিল এটা ডাবল হৈ যাব ইয়াত কিমান আছিল 1/8 আছিল এটা ডাবল হলে কিমান হ'ব 1/4 yes next in next minute কিমান হ'ব that is 22 minutes of very good 22 minutes of কি হ'ব 1/4 আছিলে into 2 which is equal to কিমান হ'ব half filled clear question to আমাক কি দিছে fully filled কেতিয়া হ'ব কেতিয়া হ'ব next minute হ'ব
23 minutes.
23 minutes.
Very good. That's it. Of the 23rd minute, কি হ'ব? Half আছিলে, half to 2 হৈ যাব. So it will become 1 and this will be considered as filled. So answer কি হবো? Yes or no? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Information কি দিয়া আছে? এটা bacteria becomes two or doubles. কেতিয়া? 1 minute of. Right? Our information কি দিয়া আছে? 1/8 filled already আছিলে. 1/8 filled to 1/4 কেতিয়া হবো? Just 1 minute of. 1/4 of the half কেতিয়া হবো? Another 1 minute of. Half of the full কেতিয়া হবো? 1 minute of. So what you need to remember is questions আমি আৰু কৰিম ঠিক আছে so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions কি মনত ৰাখিব লাগে the easiest way okay let's not go by formulas and all those stuff the easiest way very question to দিয়া আছে the bacteria takes 60 minutes to fill the cup what is the time required to fill half the cup 1 minute right 50 minus 1 that will be 59 vice versa if a bacteria fills half the cup in 60 minutes what is the time required to fill full cup 60 minutes plus 1, it will be 61 minutes. It's just a matter of 1 minute, provided the generation time is 1 minute. The answer always depends on the generation time. The question of the generation time is 1 minute. So, if you are talking about filling the cup from half to full, plus 1 kori diba. Jedi koi full or half keneke hoise minus 1 kori diba. If the generation time is 2 minutes, then half or full hobo lagile plus 2 koriba. আৰু ফুলৰ পৰা হাফ হ'ব লাগিলে -2 কৰিবা is the concept clear
Ma'am, last কি ক'লে আকৌ কৈ দিয়কচোন
okay মই কৈছো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ অংকটোৰ পৰা আমি কি গম পালো যে ব্যাকটেৰিয়া এটা প্ৰত্যেক মিনিটে মিনিটে ডাবল হৈ থাকে ৰাইট 1/4 আছিলে 1/4 to half হৈছে half to full হৈছে কেই মিনিটত 3 মিনিটত so what we can conclude এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ okay এটা কাম কৰো let's give one example and then we'll talk about it ঠিক আছে next question to লিখা আছে এটো finish কৰা
Okay.
this was question number 2 na
Yes, ma'am.
bacterial division it is question number 3 first okay a bacteria let's not write the full sentence bacteria divide kore every 1 minute
question number 4 হ'ব
please ask question ki
question number 4 হ'ব ma'am 3 নহয়
question number 4 thank you okay bacteria divide every 1 minute tar mane generation time kiman dia ase
1 minute
1 minute okay it takes 15 minutes to be to fill 1/4 of a cup information dile eta cup ase cupor 1/4 hobo lagile kiman lagibo 15 minutes right ekhine kiman 1/4 this is the is given question is time required to fill the cup
And 17 minutes.
17.
the answer is
17 minutes
17 minutes very good very good বুজি পাইছা so 1/4 কেতিয়া হৈছে 15 minutes of right তেতিয়াহলে 1/4 or double কি half half কেতিয়া হ'ব 15 plus 1 16 minutes of right full কেতিয়া হ'ব the next minute 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 minutes right so every minute it will become double why every minute আমি প্রত্যেকবারে plus 1 কিহৰ কাৰণে কৰিছো কাৰণ generation time আমাৰ কি দিয়া আছে 1 minute. কেতিয়াবা কিছুমান question generation time 2 minutes দিব পাৰে. Means a bacteria divides and becomes double in every 2 minutes. যদি 2 minute question হয় তেতিয়াহলে প্ৰত্যেকটো টাইমত আমি কি কৰিম? Will add 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question number 5. আকৌ generation time কি দিয়া আছে? 1 minute. Information দিয়া আছে form কৰিবলে they require 30 minutes. ঠিক আছে? So question দিছে 1/4 cup হবলে time
28.
28 minutes.
28 minutes.
কিমান হ'ব? 28 minutes. Very good. So I think now it's clear. Right? So very good. Full cup কিমান দিছে? 30 minutes. Half cup will be 30 minus 1 by 1 because the generation time is 1. 29 minutes. So 1/4 cup hobo lagile ki hobo? 29 minus 1 which is equal to 28. So this is the answer. Clear? Can I rub the board?
Yes.
No. Okay, that's one. Next question. Number 6. Common belik. If a bacteria divides into 2 in 2 minutes, how many bacteria would be there after 32 minutes? So, all of agote kora question gita and this question is different. What is the difference? Obviously, both of questions are about bacterial division itself. But in the previous question that we have discussed, the question was about the time required, right? Full cup kiman, half cup hobole kiman lagibo. We have discussed about problems regarding the time. Now the question is about time to already dia ase. Bacteria kiman form koribo hetur upor questions. Can you see the difference between the two questions? Previous questions kita time khudisile. Yate khudise kiman bacteria hobo. 32 minutes or pisot. What would be the number of bacteria that will find? Right? Prothomate kiman asile 1. 1 becomes into 2. Generation time kiman dia ase?
And 2 to the power 16 minutes.
Yes.
Very good. 2 to the power of 16. Very good. Very good. So, be buji paisa na moi likhi dim.
বুজি পাইছো মেম
2
Yes, ma'am.
minutes of কিমান আছিলে 1 generation no এতিয়া কিমান দিছে 32 minutes of দিছে 32 minutes of কিমান generation হ'ব
32.
32 by yes or no 2 minutes of 1 generation 32 minutes of কিমান generation হ'ব 15 generation so number of bacteria Therefore, bacteria after 32 minutes would be 2 to the power of 16, 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 bacteria. Okay, এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যদি questions আহে, either in option, গোটেই calculation to properly কৰি পেলাই দেখাব, or to the power of 16 দিব পাৰে, right? So this one would also be a candidate. Okay, another question about bacterial division. This time I'm not going to write it down because we have done so many questions on the same topic. The question is about, question to valke sudiba. A bacterial cell divides once in every minute. So generation time 1. And it takes 1 hour to fill the cup. What is the time required to fill half the cup?
59
Very good.
minutes.
Confidently, please be confident. Obviously, it's 59. Correct answer, right? So I don't think I'll write it down. লিখিব লাগিব নেকি?
নালাগে মেম
নালাগে না, এইটো বুজিয়ে পাইছো। So সদায় generation time to চাবা আৰু given information to চাবা। Let's see another type. Questions আহিলে I think কৰিব পাৰিবা। Okay, এইখিনি আছিলে some questions regarding bacterial division. Next we come to the third part. First part of আজি আমি কি discuss কৰিলো? We have talked about certain questions from that formula chart, right? Next part was about bacterial division. Third part would be about chromosome number and cell division. কি বুলি লিখিম? Just questions বুলি লিখিবা আৰু regarding cell division or questions. Read the question properly, okay? If the number of bivalents, remember the word bivalent? Bivalent কোনটা আছিলে?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What কি আছিলে?
Maternal or
What is a
paternal
bivalent? Yeah, two pair of homologous chromosomes staying together, right? That is what we call it a bivalent, right? A paternal and a maternal chromosome staying together, that was called as a bivalent. Bivalent formation was by a process called as, the process with bivalent is formed is called as what? Synapses, right? Between the two bivalents or between one bivalent, we had discussed about the synaptomimal complex, right? Bivalent was formed in prophase 1. Prophase 1 of কোনটো step?
Second one.
It prophase.
Zygote, right?
Zygote, you know.
Yeah. So the question is about bivalent. If the number of bivalents are 8 in metaphase 1, please read the question properly, okay? If the number of bivalents are 8 in metaphase 1, what shall be the number of chromosomes in daughter cells after meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 respectively. The given options are 8-4, 8-8, 4-4, 16-8. Please read the question. The question is about bivalent and chromosome number. What is the statement that we remember? Bivalent and chromosome number statement পঢ়িছিলো. Number of bivalent in a cell is always equal to
Number
dash
of
chromosome.
Haploid.
Number of haploid chromosomes. If we are talking about a cell having, if we are talking about a cell having how many? 20 chromosomes, bivalent কেটা form কৰিব?
10টা
10টা. So ইয়াতে কি question দিয়া আছে? Bivalent are 8, right? So you have to take out the number of chromosomes in meiosis 1 and then in meiosis 2. So answer কি হবে?
16-8
কোনটো? 16-8, 8-8, 8-4 নে 4-4?
16-8
C 16-8.
8 হ'ব নেকি?
A নেকি মেম?
8 B
হ'ব
8.
নেকি
ma'am.
কিয়? হ'ব নেকি নাথাকিবা। ঠিক আছে? 16-8 is 16-8 নহয়।
Ma'am
B
8
8.
ma'am 8.
Ma'am B 8 ma'am.
C na, yes.
The answer is 8-8, right? Okay. Just to remember, ইয়াৰ তলতে explanation খিনি লিখি লোৱা so the next time it will become easier, right? So তলত লিখিবা when we talk about a bivalent, কি হয়? Yes? So এইটোক আমি কি বুলি কম? Bivalent. Here? Given কি দিয়া আছে? Metaphase 1 bivalent is equal to 8. Therefore, in metaphase 1, chromosome কিমান হ'ব? Bivalent যদি 8টা হয়, chromosome কেইটা হ'ব? Double হৈ যাব না যায়?
16.
Clear?
yes ma'am
Okay. Now we come to the question. Meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, we know meiosis 1 is also called as reduction division. Why is it called as reduction division?
chromosome
Meiosis 1
Yes,
chromosome reduce.
chromosomes gets reduced or chromosomes becomes half. Starting point at chromosome কিমান আছিলে? 16. Meiosis 1 ত reduction division, reduction হৈ পেলাই chromosome 16 ৰ পৰা কিমান হ'ব? 8 হৈ যাব না যায়?
yes ma'am
Yes or no? Meiosis 2. Meiosis 2 is also called as, okay, equational division. Why is it called as equational division? Because the chromosome number remains the same.
Reduction.
Yes, remains the same means meiosis 1 or human chromosome number asile, meiosis 2 to exactly the same chromosome number thakibo. So it is called as the equational division. If in meiosis 1 the number of chromosomes was 8, then after meiosis 2 chromosome number change hobo niki?
নহয় ma'am 8
নহয়, so ultimately ki hobo? 8 itself. Correct? So the answer is okay. 8 and then. But what was the difference in this condition, or especially in meiosis 1? The chromosome number was 8, but these chromosomes were present in the form of a dyad. Genetic material double yesterday. Into yate ki hote, the genetic material reduces, and so these are considered as monads. Dita term ase. Ami dyad is a term that we have already read about it. Remember, we have talked about dyad, right? Eto ki boli koisile? Eta dyad koisile nai?
Tired. Yes.
Right? So dyad, and I think you remember the word tetrad also. 2 dyads form a tetrad, right?
Tetrad.
So after meiosis 1, the chromosomes will remain in the form of a dyad. After meiosis 2, what happens? The genetic material or the DNA reduces, so they will remain in the form of a monad. Clear? Dyad mane ki hile? 2 DNA, simply meaning, aru yate ki hobo? 1 DNA. This is just for explanation purpose. Okay, the answer is 8 and 8. Any doubts? Buji paisan nai sobe? Only a few students could understand, and the rest of the students could not.
বুজি ম্যাম
Baki bilake, please. Jadi buji pa nai, please ask. I am here to explain you again. Right? Please make your concept clear. Okay. Next question is also about bivalent. So once you know or you have understood the concept, jikono question ahile, you'll be able to do it. So that was the first question. Second question, the number of bivalent in prophase 1 of meiosis are 10. How many chromosomes will be in anaphase 2 of meiosis at each pole? So, A2 question, our previously kora question 2, exactly the same. What we need to remember, information is given about bivalent. What is a bivalent? We understand the relation between a bivalent and a chromosome. Bivalent jiman thake, chromosome takke double thake, right? As far as these anaphase or metaphase or whatever it is given, anaphase 1, anaphase 2, metaphase 1, metaphase 2, what you need to remember, the chromosome numbers get reduced in the first, what, meiosis? The chromosome number remains same in meiosis 2. So yate ki dise? Ki hobo?
5.
5
Answer? 5.
10. Means 10.
5 can be
10.
korila.
10
Obviously 10. Because we have
10.
bivalent chains of chromosome number 20. If the cell has chromosome number 20, after meiosis 1, what will be the chromosome number? 10. After meiosis 2, the chromosome number will always remain the same. So obviously it will be 10 again.
ma'am but
Yes or no? At each pole, yes, at each pole. Tamane ki, jetia tumar eta bivalent ho thake, ba dutal chromosome ekelege thake, duita chromosome separate kore. The centromere does not divide, and each I mean, each part or that collection or that team is called as chromosome. Centromere divide নকৰে দুইটা chromosome দুটা polole গুচি যায়. That was in case of meiosis 1. In case of meiosis 2, what we remember that the centromere split. If the centromere split, obviously the chromatids will get separate and chromatids will reach each pole. But at that time, we don't use the word chromatid and instead we use the word chromosome itself. আমি এইটো নকওঁ যে centromereটো ভাঙি যোৱাৰ পিছত after splitting of the centromere, the chromatids go to the two poles. No, we use the word after the splitting of the centromere, the two chromosomes moves to the two poles. So ultimately it's the same. Actually, it is the chromatids, but we talk about it as chromosomes itself. So ইয়াতো chromosome বুলি কম, meiosis 1 to chromosome বুলি কম, meiosis 2 to chromosome বুলি কম. So ultimately it is the same. So at each pole, chromosome number কি হ'ব একেই থাকিব. বুজি পালানে?
Ma'am, ma'am, anaphase 2 লকে তো 10টা ক্রোমোজোম থাকিব।
নহয়, anaphase 2 to 10টা chromosome থাকিব at each pole, no? পেশেন্টটো সেইটোৱে সুধিছে।
Ma'am, each pole যোৱাৰ আগতো ডিভাইড
At
হ'ব ন?
each pole.
Ma'am,
নহয়,
anaphase
divide হ'ব কি? 10টা আছিলে, ঠিক আছে? তাৰমানে কি চোৱা? এনেকুৱা কেইটা আছিলে? 10টা, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
অকমান এনাফেজটো চাই লওক। ইয়াৰ পিছত কি হ'ব যে this is one, right? Next step to কি হ'ব? Centromere split কৰি পেলাই কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব? দুডাল ফৰ্ম কৰিব নকৰে?
Yes, ma'am.
So beginning of এটা আছিল in the cell, এতিয়া at each pole এটা আছে নাই? মাজত
ma'am.
এটা যদি আছে at each pole এটা আছে, মাজত যদি 10টা আছে তেতিয়াহ'লে at each pole কি থাকিব? 10টাই থাকিব।
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Anaphase 1 chromosome কিমান থাকিব? 10টা থাকিব। কাৰণ starting of the cell, the chromosome had the cell had 20 chromosomes. The cell will undergo meiosis 1. One part of meiosis 1 is anaphase 1. In meiosis 1, what happens? The chromosome reduces, so 20 per 10 whole. Anaphase 2 is linked with meiosis 2. What is the change about meiosis 2? The chromosome number remains the same. The chromosome কিমান হ'ব? হ'ব নে নহয়? So what would be the answer?
10.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you see a question about bivalent and if the question is asked about bivalent information to DRF and the question is about chromosome, so what do you do? Just double it off. Right? And if the question is linked with meiosis 1, you just reduce it. And if the question is regarding meiosis 2, then again it's remains the same. So ultimately the trick to understand this question is, first of all, ইয়াতে question to bivalent কিমান দিয়া আছিলে? Answer কি হ'ল? Can you see? Right? If you see or look into the question properly, the question is about 10 bivalents. Answer কি পালো?
10 chromosome.
10 chromosomes. So that is a hint to remember. We'll go to the next question. So এইবিলাক terms, anaphase 1, metaphase 1, or it might be leptotin, or it might be zygotin. These terms are given so that you get confused. But if you know the concept, there is no point of getting confused. Right, we come to question number 3. If there are 30 chromosomes, are 30 chromosomes in the G1 phase. Question to kiman complicated like Saba. In the G1 phase, I think you remember G1 phase.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the number of bivalents? This time the question is about bivalents. What is the number of bivalents in the zygote stage? For such type of a question, the answer comes immediately. But question ke eneke likhi dise so that you become confused, right? The question is about what? Obviously bivalent. Given ki diya ase chromosome. So what would be the bivalent? Half of the chromosomes. The answer would be how much? 15.
15.
No.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the answer is so simple. But just see the way the question has been presented. G1, T1 terms like long lokai pelai. Ekdom birat complicate kore dise question ko. Yes or no? So don't get nervous. What you have to see, you have to see the main points. The question, given information is about chromosome, question is about bivalence. And we know the relation. Right? So answer kiman hobo? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Our jede question ahe, if bivalence is 15, what would be the number of chromatids?
$60.
60.
Very good. Yes? Tamane bivalence chili 15 hoy, chromosome kiman hobo? 30.
30.
Jodi chromosome 30 hoy, chromatids kiman hobo? 60. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
অকমান confidence develop কৰিছা নাই? এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question দেখিলে আমি কৰিব পাৰিম নে নোৱাৰিম? As I said, there is a very less chance of, yes, these type of questions are need, but even it, please ask.
Ma'am, ইয়াতে যেনেকুৱা 30 chromosomes হ'ল আৰু so chromatids 60 হ'ল। আগৰ কেছটোত মেম কেনেকুৱা? আগৰ কেছটোত 10 এ থাকে।
Yeah, I know what you are, okay, to be confused কি হৈছে, no? Yes, chromatids, so actually, যেতিয়া anaphase 2 হয়, anaphase 2 হলে, this is a chromosome, no? Anaphase 2 কি হ'ব? এইটো part, এইটো split কৰিব. So, A part 2, one pole যাব, A part 2, other pole যাব. ঠিক আছে? A single part 2 will have like this, no? One like this. এইখিনিলৈকে clear হৈছে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
It was select anaphase 2 কি হ'ব? The centromere will get split and then the chromatid will move to the two pole. So, A2, one pole, this is the other pole, right? Actually, polot কি গৈছে? Chromatids হে গৈছে, কিন্তু আমি use কৰো কি? At that time, we don't use the word chromatids, but we use the word chromosomes itself, right? কিন্তু actually কি? Actually কি গৈছে polole? Chromosome গৈছে নে chromatids গৈছে?
Chromatids.
এটা polole কি move কৰিছে? Chromosome move কৰিছে নে chromatids move কৰিছে? It is actually the chromatids that are going to the two opposite poles. But we don't use the word chromatids, instead we use the word chromosome itself. But original key, original practice, the chromosomes do not move to the opposite poles, the chromatids move to the two opposite poles. Correct?
Okay.
And a question too, it's directly mentioned using the term chromatids. If the term chromatids is not given, then we'll refer to both of these two as chromosomes itself during the process of cell division. Kintu specifically from chromosome point of view, if you want to answer, eta chromosome of eta chromatids, duta chromatids. এই বস্তুটো যদি আমি from chromosome point of view use say, we do not say that this is a chromosome and this chromosome is made up of two chromosomes. This is the wrong statement. What we say, this is a chromosome, it is made up of 2 chromatids. That is the explanation from chromosome point of view. But from cell division point of view, during anaphase 2, instead of using the word chromatid, we use the word chromosomes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Finally, at a point, something that you will always refer to. Point likha. Mitosis, meiosis, or meiosis 1 or meiosis 2, just likhiba. In mitosis, we are getting here mitosis, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Kiki hoy. So when we talk about mitosis, we have G1 followed by S, followed by G2, followed by prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and meiosis. Yes or no? If you are talking about cell division, egitai to phase ase na aru kiba beleg ase?
Nai, ma'am.
A cell undergoing mitosis, so obviously it will have the interphase, and then it will go for the division phase. So in a cell that undergoes mitosis, if in G1 the DNA of that cell was 40 and chromosome, suppose jedi eta cell ase ei cell tur DNA amount kiman asile 40 and chromosome number kiman asile 4. This is just an example that we are taking. Then what will happen in S? When this cell will come to S phase, the DNA will get doubled. Yes or no?
80.
Yes, ma'am.
Chromosome number kiman thakibo? Chromosome number
Same thakibo.
same. In this case also 84, 84, 84, 80 and 4, and similarly we have this. Is this understood? A cell undergoing mitosis, G1 phase opt, and this is the way from G1 to telophase, the number of chromosomes and the DNA content. This is the condition that we see. Is it understood? The only change over here that we see is the DNA content gets doubled in the S phase. As far as the number of chromosomes is concerned, the number of chromosomes always remains the same. Yata kiba doubts ase niki?
Ma'am, okkoman robo ma'am likhilo.
Likhi luatke bostuto buji lua. Eta cell, jedi mitosis undergo korise, tetia hole, as far as its genetic material and chromosome number is concerned, this is the pattern that we will see. Not necessarily the chromosome number would be 4, it could be 50 also, it could be 46 also, it could be 20 also. This is just an example that I am showing.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Hunkale likha, then we will go for the next one.
Ma'am, likhilo.
All good? Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we go to
Yes, ma'am.
the next comparison is about meiosis 2. If a cell that has 40 chromosomes, again we can start with that itself, 40 eketa example, right? So yaat ami ki change dekha pao? S1 phase 80, chromosome number S phase of kiman thakibo? AK. Similarly, in this case 84. In this case, meiosis 1 is called as reduction division. Why is it called as reduction division? Because the chromosome number will get reduced into half, right? Up till the interphase, no? Interphase phase of the reduction no hoy. Reduction of chromosome ketia hobo? Division phase of hobo. Now you have to be sure je kuntu phase of division or reduction to hoy. It is in the prophase that the chromosome number gets divided into half, or it is in the metaphase, or it is in the anaphase, or it is in the telophase. Are you understanding the question? We often say meiosis 1 is equal to reduction division, or it is called as reduction division. Why is it called as reduction division? Because the number of chromosomes gets reduced into half. Right? Starting cell of jiman asile, after meiosis 1, the number of chromosomes gets reduced. But you have to be precise at which stage of meiosis 1 the number of chromosomes gets reduced. Can you give me the answer?
Metaphase.
Metaphase হয় জানো?
Anaphase.
Anaphase হয় জানো? Anaphase ultimately কি থাকিব? At each pole, ultimately I'll go like it's only after telophase that they become half. Right? So once it has completed meiosis 1, then it will go to meiosis 2. আকৌ meiosis 2 হোৱাৰ আগতে G1 থাকিব, S prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, আৰু telophase 2. Right? So this cell will come to G1 and ultimately DNA কিমান আছিলে? 40. Chromosome number কিমান আছিলে? 2. বস্তুটো বুজি পাইছা নে নাই? One cell has or it started meiosis. Starting of the meiosis or meiosis প্ৰথমতে কি হ'ব? Interphase, and then we will go to a division phase. In the division phase, we understand that the chromosome number will get reduced. So that chromosome number got reduced. The starting of the cell of chromosome number কিমান আছিলে? 4টা. এতিয়া কিমান আছে? 2টা. After completion of meiosis 1, the cell will prepare itself to undergo meiosis 2. So which cell are we talking about? We are talking about this cell, the newly formed cell after telophase, right? Telophase of পিছত কি cell form কৰিছিলে daughter cells. A daughter cell বিলাকে কি হ'ব? The next is they will undergo meiosis 2. So we have started from this cell or this daughter cell where the DNA content was 40 and the chromosome was 2. This cell will also undergo this phases. Now, what will happen in S phase? প্ৰথমতে আমি কি লিখিছিলো? S phase it is always that the chromosome number, it is always the DNA content gets doubled. So the question is, doubling of DNA content কেইবাৰ হয় meiosis-ত? এবাৰ নে দুবাৰ?
দুবাৰ।
DNA content কেইবাৰ double হয়? এটা cell will undergo meiosis. So how many times will the DNA get doubled? It is only in once. So it is only in this S phase that the DNA will get doubled, whereas in this case, it will remain the same. দুবাৰ কেতিয়াও double নহয়. Eto clear hoise na nai? See this one and this one. Always DNA double কেইবাৰ হ'ব? এটা cell DNA double সদায় এবাৰে হ'ব, that is in the S phase. And when we are talking about meiosis, it always occurs in the S phase of meiosis 1. Meiosis 1 হোৱাৰ আগতে S phase আছে, তাতহে DNA টো double হ'ব. Second time ইয়াতে double কিন্তু কেতিয়াও নহয়. It always remains the same. Right? So it has proceeded towards the division phase. So it has reached the prophase. Prophase, so DNA content will remain same. The chromosome number will also remain same, because we know what is the significance of meiosis 2. কি হয়? Meiosis 1 or significance কি? Chromosome number gets reduced. What is the significance of meiosis 2? What gets reduced? Meiosis 1 or chromosome number reduce হয়. Meiosis 2 কি reduce হয়? নে একোৱে reduce নহয়?
Same থাকে.
Same থাকে।
Same থাকে ma'am.
Okay, listen. Meiosis is called as reduction division. Clear? Meiosis 1 is called as reduction division. Meiosis 2 is called as equational division. Why reduction division? Because the chromosome number gets reduced. কেতিয়া হ'ব? Meiosis 1 ত. Meiosis 2 কি বুলি কওঁ? Equational division. Why is it called as equational division? Because the chromosome number remains the same. But what happens to the DNA content? Do you remember we have discussed what was the importance of what was the importance of meiosis 2? Meiosis 2 কিয় হ'ব লাগে? Meiosis 1 ত chromosome number to half হৈ গ'ল. So reduction division to already complete হ'ল. তেতিয়াহ'লে meiosis 2 কিয় হ'ব লাগে? What was the importance or what is the significance of meiosis 2? Or what is the necessity for meiosis 2? Question বুজি পাইছা নে? এটা cellৰ meiosis 1 হৈ গ'ল. Very good. Please say the answer again.
DNA get reduced.
Exactly. So in meiosis, what happens? Two things happen. First, the chromosome gets reduced. Second, the DNA content gets reduced. Chromosome reduced ক'ত হয়? Meiosis 1 or DNA content reduced ক'ত হয়? Meiosis 2. These are the two facts that you have to remember always, right? So in this case, so what we know, meiosis 2 এটাই statement. In this case, chromosome number will remain the same, but the DNA content will get reduced. So, কোনটো stage হয়? Again, you have to say. So, this is the stage. ইয়াতে কি হয়? Chromosome number remains same. DNA content becomes yes or no? See whether you have understood or not. What we have discussed is we have tried to compare a cell that underwent mitosis and a cell that underwent meiosis. When we talk about mitosis, what we have seen as far as the chromosome number and the DNA content is concerned, গোটেইখিনি বস্তু একেই থাকে. Yes or no? খালি S chromosome number খিনি, sorry, DNA content খিনি বাঢ়ি যায়. Right? But if you're talking about meiosis 2, point of interest কোনটো? This one. ইয়াতে কি হৈছে? Double হৈছে. ইয়াতে কিন্তু হোৱা নাই. Right? So this is a point and this is a point. Right? Next, meiosis 1 or chromosome number reduced হয়. ক'ত হৈছে? চোৱা, বুজি পাইছানে নাই? Anything else? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
কি হ'ল? Silent হৈ গ'ল আৰু। Is it so confusing?
Ma'am, কি কৈছে?
বিৰাট কনফিউজিং নেকি সাইলেন্ট হৈ গৈছা যে সব right so go to this chart. So after telophase 2 আমি কি পাও we get two daughter cells and in this case we will see that in the newly formed daughter cells the DNA content and the chromosome number would be half and DNA content আমি একে কৈছো next in this case it will be this time the DNA content will reduce. So this is all for today, I think. So we have discussed many questions regarding this chapter, right? Arujedi Pao, maybe we'll discuss during our assignment discussion class. So please go through the chapter properly, try to do the assignment, right? From catalyst into assignment, and the different books that you follow or your MCQs. Collect your doubts and see whether you, and go through the questions and see whether you have understood the question or not, whether you can do the questions or not, right? Doubts pillar compile koriba. Doubt class again, we'll discuss at that time, right? So that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, biological
please say.
classification or doubts কেতিয়ালৈ send কৰিলে হ'ব? Hello.
Biological classification, I'll give you the time. Okay? At this moment, Hari Kora. Just collect one because I think you all have not completed the zoology chapter,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So once you finish the zoology chapter, next will be botany. So at the time we'll tell you the date.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Thank you.
Botany hore means kuntu chapter hobo?
Botany hole obviously next to biological classification because living
Okay,
world is
okay.
something that.
Oh, apni disile.
Ha. ঠিক আছে? Okay, thank you.